Hello, my wonderful subscriber, our friends, and our lovely fans. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Fashion Addiction. My dear viewers, this is your host Asacha. How are you all? Hope you are fine. May God bless you with more happiness every day. My dear friends, we brings you the best of the best from each designer's collection and making it possible for our viewers to feel like they have a personal stylist. So my dear viewers, this is our YouTube channel and we hope you must like our content and tell us your reviews in the comment section. Now friends, show your love by like, share and subscribe our channel, and you can make sure you press the bell icon so you can never miss any future update from my channel Fashion Addiction. My dear friends, in this video you will see the brilliant variety of leather sandals designs for lovely women. Friends, these are the styles of sandals every woman wants to wear and needs in his wardrobe. And friends, these sandals are so warm and comfortable that you can confidently wear them without any worry in formal or casual events. So friends and my lovely fans, you can freely ask if you want more updates of any topic in comment section. I will definitely try to upload the latest collection of the articles or outfit or whatever you want. So my dear friends, this is our today's video. We hope you must admire our work for you and kindly tell us about your opinion and great advices in the comments. My dear viewers, we have a huge variety of anything which is related to your fashion, and if you have an impressive sense of fashion, we can definitely learn something from you. Friends, take a look at this video and stay updated to my amazing channel Fashion Addiction, because this channel provides you latest fashion news and lifestyle events in your country, and you will daily find a couple of videos about all type of fashion and all type of dresses designs. So friends and my lovely viewers, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and it would be an honor for me to serve you daily if you hit that like button also. Friends, I will wait for your kind comments and also try to answer all your queries of any type of fashion you need. So my dear friends, thank you so very much for watching my whole video. I hope you are enjoying my video. Take a good care of yourself. Remember me in your prayers. Keep smiling. Take beautiful ideas from my channel. Love you all guys.